Hello, it's Amanda Ramsey, your over 40s makeup expert, and today we're going to do the 5-minute makeup using the Essentials Beauty Box Kit. So there's one for over 40s, there's one for over 50s, and there's one for over 60s. Okay, this is your capsule collection, super easy, quick 5-minute makeup to get you looking fresh, polished, pulled together fast. Step 1 is the Me Cosmetics Forever Eye Crayon. Okay, you can use a brush to apply this, or you can just use your finger. You've got a choice of colors, and I'll just show you using my finger. I'm using the color Antique, which is this beautiful golden bronze color. Just whack it on. It sets, you can forget about it. It won't budge no matter how sweaty or how oily you might get. This does not crease. Blending it with your finger. If you prefer to work with a brush, grab a soft fluffy brush and swoosh. Swoosh. Instant eyeshadow. Step 2 is to get your foundation on. So this is the Ragism All Day Foundation, super hydrating, specifically formulated for mature skin, leaves your skin beautifully luminous. Let's check it out. I'll just put a blob on the back of my hand, and I'll always work from the back of my hand so you don't over apply the product. Fingers are fine, but you can also use a brush. I still recommend that you apply with your fingers for the first layer, so you're not wasting a heap of product in your brush and you're not tempted to apply too much. Thin layers work best for mature skin. It's hurting me. Don't forget to come down your neck. Pretend. It glides on because it's packed with vitamin E. It's got hyaluronic acid in it. So this is actually treating your skin while you're wearing it. Kind of think of it as an extension to your skincare. So a thin layer of foundation. Then if you want a little more coverage, go in with a brush and just stipple it on where you need that little bit of extra coverage. And you can build it up to be more medium coverage, okay? But we want to see skin. We want skin to look like skin. Less amount of product that you put on your skin, the less amount you've got to sit in the fine lines, crinkles, wrinkles, and pores. Okay, step 3, crack on with the Inica Organic Long Lash Mascara. I'm going to really quickly curl my lashes first with the Makeup Weapons Lash Curler. Takes seconds to do. Just really opens up and lifts mature eyes, particularly if you've got some hooding, and load up on your mascara. This is a all natural, super duper volumizing and lengthening formula. So load up on your mascara, 2 to 3 coats. I think we want to bring some attention to our peepers. Next, we're just going to do a little bit of defining of our eyebrows. This makes such a difference. Don't skip this step. We need to see your brows. So this is the Sculpting Brow Builder from Me Cosmetics. Just the 4th product in your Essentials Beauty Box Kit. And you're just combing that through to groom, tint, add a bit of bulk to thinning lashes, and also brows, and also hold those brow hairs in place. I'm using the color medium. And the final step is your Aeropress Carrot Color Pot. I'm using the color Healthy. This is a cream blush. Whack a bit of that onto your cheekbones, just to really lift your complexion. Add some color back in and add a bit of dimension to your look. Okay, if you're in a super duper hurry, that's when you can just whack this on your lips. And there you have it. That's your 5-minute makeup using 5 essential products Comes with a delicious skincare sample and a chocolate and step-by-step instructions on how to use the products correctly to flatter and enhance your mature skin.